All right, good afternoon, Mrs. Amundson's class.
Good afternoon, Mr. Pottinger.
Oh, that's very nice of you. Good to see you all. We finished off this note on Friday. Today is Monday, and we're just going to make a quick video and move into the assignment. So nice little review before we get into the assignment of what we did with dividing integers. So the title is 1.2 dividing integers. I can divide integers, true or false?
True.
Good. Quotient. Quotient would be the answer to what kind of problem?
Division.
And the quotient is always where in relation to the division box? Above. Love it. Divisor would be a number used to divide things. Where's the divisor in relation to the division box? Outside, but on the left side, right? A dividend is the number that is being divided, and the dividend always goes where? Nice. Remainder then would be the leftover number when divisors don't go evenly into the dividend. Those would be remainders. All right, probably the most important part of the entire lesson would be the process and how we remember the process for long division. We're calling it McDonald's math. Together, let's read how we remember McDonald's math on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And the does stands for what, class? McDonald's stands for what, class? Serve stands for what? Burgers? Rare? Beautiful. You guys are doing great. Thank you. All right, practice. I am going to do this one with you. I'll do number 8 with you guys. I'm going to change my color so that you can see what the original problem was. So if you look at number 8, it was 483 divided by 5, yes? All right. So using McDonald's math, the first thing we do is does McDonald's serve burgers rare is divide, right? Does 5 go into 4? No. If 5 does not go into 4, we put what up here, guys? And a place value holder is always the number 0. So once we put that up there, then we try to see if 5 goes into 48. Does 5 go into 48? Yes. How many times? 9. So we put a 9 up here. So that's our division. McDonald's stands for what? So I'm going to multiply by 9 and my 5, right? Yes. What's 9 times 5? 45. So does McDonald's serve? What's serve stand for? So I'm going to subtract my 48 and my 45. What's 48 minus 45? 3. Does McDonald's serve burgers? Burgers stands for? I break down my next number, which is a 3. Does McDonald's serve burgers rare? What's rare stand for? Repeat. So I go all the way back up to division, yes? So my new dividend is 33. Does 5 go into 33? How many times? 6. So I put my 6 up here. Does McDonald's, what's McDonald's stand for? What does McDonald's stand for? Multiply. So I multiply my 6 and my 5. What's 6 times 5, guys? 30. Does McDonald's serve? Serve stands for? What's 33 minus 30? 3. Does McDonald's serve burgers? What's burger stand for? Is there anything over here to bring down? No. So my final answer is 96, but what do I have left over down here? So I need to write remainder 3, and then we always do what to our answers? We cool?